Hi, I'm Brandy Lawson, and this is Elevated, the podcast dedicated to helping you build a better kitchen and bath design business. In the last episode, we explored how AI can help streamline your workflows through formatting shortcuts. In today's episode, we're looking at another powerful way AI can save you time and mental energy: extracting key information from meeting recordings. As a kitchen and bath design business owner, you wear many hats. Oh, so many hats. You're not only the designer, but also the salesperson and often the project manager, not to mention the CFO, the HR manager, and party planner. This unique blend of responsibilities can create tensions and challenges, as the highest and best use of a designer's time is designing, and the highest and best use of a business owner's time is sitting in the CEO seat. However, to have projects to design, you need to have sales meetings, and to get paid for those projects, you have to ensure they're completed, which means meeting with clients, partners, and tradespeople to make decisions and keep everything on track. It's a lot to juggle, and easy for important details to slip through the cracks. That's where AI comes in. In episode 5, we covered using AI meeting note takers, which provide you with a recording and a transcript of your meetings, as well as pulling out key points and action items. But that is actually just the start of the value that can be created from those transcripts. By loading your meeting transcripts into an AI tool, you can ask it to extract specific information, saving you the time and effort of combing through the entire recording or transcript yourself. For example, let's say you had a project kickoff meeting with a client. You can ask the AI to pull out all the agreed upon timelines, project phases, and key decisions. Or maybe you had a meeting with your team to discuss a particularly challenging project. You can have the AI identify all the action items and who they were assigned to, ensuring all the follow-up work is tracked and actually happens. Now, instead of spending time and effort reviewing meeting notes or recordings or trying to capture all that information while running the meeting, you can have AI do the heavy lifting for you. And because AI can process and analyze information much faster than humans, you'll get all those important details in minutes, not days or weeks. But how do you actually do this? It's simpler than you might think. Many AI meeting note takers like Otter.ai or Fireflies.ai allow you to export or copy your meeting transcripts. From there, you can paste the transcript into a tool like Magai or ChatGPT and ask it specific questions about the content. For example, you might say, please identify all the action items discussed in this meeting and who they were assigned to. Or, what were the key project milestones and deadlines agreed upon in this client meeting? The AI will then scan the transcript and provide you with the requested information, neatly organized and easy to reference. Even better, if your project management software has AI built in, like Monday.com or ClickUp, you can paste this transcript in there and have the project management software create the tasks and subtasks from the transcript in the tool. By leveraging AI in this way, you rest assured that even when you're juggling multiple projects and responsibilities, so many hats, the information from the meetings is in all the right places and everyone has what they need to do their work. In the next episode, you'll hear a story of how one of our clients used the summarization power of AI and how I'm using it to help compare insurance quotes. Are you all in on using AI in your business, but need some hands-on expert help? Book 15 minutes with me at fieryeffects.com/chat to get personalized guidance.